In Fresno County, those 16 and older now officially eligible to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Our Jocelyn Moran is live from the UCSF Fresno site at Fresno City College. And Jocelyn, were there newly eligible people in line today?
Yeah, there were, and right now the site is closed, but earlier today we did speak with one man who said he'd been driving by and seeing this site the last couple of weeks, just patiently waiting for his turn, and now that day has finally come, and he didn't want to wait any longer.
I thought it was going to take longer, so I'm happy.
Josh Hauser thought he would have to wait longer to be eligible to get the COVID-19 vaccine. But after Fresno County decided to expand eligibility earlier than expected due to the availability of appointments, he didn't wait any longer.
It's been fantastic. Sitting here reading, I really haven't had much chance to read a whole lot because the line's been moving the whole time.
The UCSF Fresno vaccination site at Fresno City College had a little bit of a line before noon. But Dr. Kenny Bond with UCSF Fresno says they were prepared to see more people line up today and are preparing for even more tomorrow.
We have multiple languages available for interpretations. We don't charge anything. We're completely grant and donation-based services. So you don't need to have any financial information. You don't even need to have Social Security. I don't care about your documentation status. We don't report anyone. Our only job is to vaccinate people with a lens on equity.
At Sierra Pacific Orthopedics in Fresno, an additional 200 appointments were filled up today for first doses, and they're planning for that next week too.
Fortunately, we were able to create 200 appointments for first doses again each day of next week. If you go to our website or our Facebook page, the links for those appointments are there.
According to Fresno County's most recent data, more than 523,000 doses have been administered in the county. 30.7% of the county's population has now been vaccinated with at least one dose.
We need to get a high percentage of the population. The only way we're going to do that if everyone does their part.
And Josh Hauser did his part.
I don't want to infect my mother or my young nephews. I'm very concerned about that. So not so much concerned about my own health. I mean, I'm healthy anyway. It's what I could do to others that I'm more concerned of.
Now, the Pfizer vaccine is the only vaccine that's authorized for 16 and 17-year-olds. Now, if you are 16 or 17, you do need consent from a parent or guardian. The UCSF Fresno vaccination site here at Fresno City College does not require appointments, and they are administering the Pfizer vaccine, and there are appointments to other Fresno County sites at myturn.ca.gov. Live in Fresno, Jocelyn Moran, KSEE 24, local news that matters.